welcome back. We're at it again. It's wet, cold, rainy, but get the dogs out for a little while, not too long. Don't want them getting too wet because we got to sit in the van all day. Anyway, thanks for joining us. We'll see how the day pans out for us. Hopefully this rain stops and we can get out more often. Well, that was a quick draw. My growl walk. Get off, buddy. Stay on the floor, you're too wet. Stay. And so I got the dogs out, walked them, dried them, fed them, brushed them, cleaned, shook out all their towels on the back, and it's cool. So hopefully this doesn't look like this rain's going to stop anytime soon, but never mind, we got our main walk out of the way. Always the morning walk, there's always the main walk. So we got the heater on just to dry out in the van a little bit. And you, mister, you're wet, you stay down there. Wait till it dries. I got that heat coming in from the bottom there, so hopefully it dries them off a bit. Well, I'm just going to put the camera in the glove box so it doesn't get wet. See you later. Watch that camera. Patu. Well, we managed to get out for another walk. Gave the dogs some water. And about 10 minutes and it started to rain again, so we came back. All good. Trouble when it rains, it's a long day in here for us. It's 11:30 and we usually finish in our first walk at this time from around 9:30 till about 11:30, but that's what happens when it rains. Oh well, it stopped raining now, so I can get the camera out, and don't think it's going to rain for a while now. Dogs have just been out for another long walk, so sweet as. Well, that's our day done. Half a day of raining and half a day now it's all wind, so but all good. We do it again tomorrow. Thanks for watching.